Let's see where the volume is. Okay, so we're at the volume. This is Bybit perpetuals. We're at the volume area low, the value area low. Swing failure this pivot. Okay, go up now. Get up to the point of control so I can take profit. Let me mark these. Let me mark these as well. High. Wait, control. Perfect. And then we have our 5 waves. I'll show you the 5 waves. One, two. Actually, 5 waves. Or maybe there. It's kind of like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like an A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 5 waves there. And now we're into correction. Some really annoying correction because I want it to go up. But that's fine. The longer it goes and the further lower it goes, the more bullish it becomes. We have a bit of a outer trend line. Oh, interesting. This outer trend line has kind of broken and lost it, broken, and now we're back above it again. I don't know if that's correct because these wicks are quite hard to know. Let me just check to see what the all-time high on Slerf is. We mark that as well. 130 and then this number below. So is that correct? No, it's not correct. That's the all-time high. So actually we're not. You see that? You see how when you have the correct figures, you realize that actually we're not above that trend line. Let's put the all-time low somewhere down here. Okay. It won't copy and paste. 3693. Okay, so slightly okay. That's the all-time high. The good thing about Slerf is we made the all-time low, then we made an all-time high. So I like the order of the way the all-time low was made first and the all-time high. That is your range effectively when it comes to Slerf. We're range bound between the all-time high and the all-time low. That's what's happening right now. Okay, it's very simple what's happening. We're just range bound. Okay, we have our Elliott wave count. which I think it's right. I'm not 100%, but who knows? It looks okay. And then obviously what I'm going to do, what I always do, is I do a fib pull from the all-time low to the all-time high. And what you can see right now is we lost the value area low, we lost the golden pocket, and now we're trying to get back in. Okay, so until we do, it's bearish, but once we do, it's going to become bullish. You wouldn't short any if it was bearish here because we're at the lows, but what you're looking for is longs. There is a long that's to be had. It's this swing failure here. Okay, but you could easily get invalidated with that long. Price could easily do that, and then do that. Could easily do that. Okay, so it's not. So you need a good risk management if you're in a long here. Let me try something as well. Let me just try take it to the buy bit high. Let's see if there's any difference. It's pretty. It's not correct. That's correct. So where did the correction end? There. Okay. So for this wave one to be valid, you just can't make a new low. That would invalidate this count. Okay, and it would be very bearish to make an all-time low, go to the all-time high, and then back to an all-time low. Really bearish. Like, it would be very bearish for that to happen, because then you're in bearish market structure, and that's not what you want. And right now the market structure is a coin flip, because it depends on the direction of travel. You expect the direct, because of the bull market, you expect us to be making a low to somehow finally go and attack the highs. That's what you're expecting, and that would be bullish market structure. So at the moment where it's a coin flip on market structure, we've made a low, we've made a high, and I think the weakness that we're seeing is Bitcoin correcting. We had a lot of in value come in, and now people are just taking their value out. That's basically what's happening. The good thing about this descent is you've got decreasing volume, decreasing prices. So it's a, relatively speaking, it's a bullish correction. You're not seeing increasing volume on the descent. You're seeing a decrease in volume. But obviously what you want to see now is for the price to come back up, back above this golden pocket, or lower, or back. I don't want to see lower. I want to see us get back above this golden pocket, back into this value area. That would be really nice to see. And then, are the fib levels being respected? Potentially, yeah. You see here, reaction here, reaction here. It kind of reacted around it. There was a reaction here, lots of reactions, and then there's a reaction. So these fib levels are really solid right now, and so anyone who's trading this could just take it from fib to fib, and naturally if the price was to go up, then that would be a good take profit. Maybe it'll go back down, and then maybe it can go up, who knows. If we break this out a trend line, it's going to look quite bullish, so you might see quite a lot of volume come back into it. But the trend line's only been hit twice, so I think the next time we hit it will probably react, so we may not even get up to, you know, we may fall short, especially if we take the liquidity from these highs, and you have a little bit of an SR flip going on here. The other thing you've got going on here is a kind of a different trend line here. Potentially though, you would go up, break it, reject, find support to break that one. And then you've got a nice you could probably target the value area high and take profit at the point of control. And the other thing you've got is the reverse. Got quite a lot of confluence at the point of control. That would be a big take profit. And then obviously you've got the golden pocket right at the top. So those are the key areas to take profit: the point of control and the golden pocket. So the value area and the high and the point of control. And then it will probably just go down again. Probably. And then maybe we're having like a long ABC like that. Like a really long ABC. We had this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then long ABC. And then we can have our bullish impulse, the next wave. Okay. Good, it's coming up again. Let's see that. It's pushing through. I think it's following Bitcoin. Let me have a look at Bitcoin. Nope, it's not following Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not going up. Oh, it is. What the hell? Nice. Bitcoin is going up. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's what I want to see. What is it at? 64806. Let's just hope that Bitcoin can carry us. All right, that's Slerf. I think it's a good place to buy because we're at the bottom of this value area low on spot. There is a trade because we've just had a swing failure here. But you are buying into resistance. You don't want to the price to now do this. So you kind of want this low to hold now. That's your invalidation. Because you have taken the liquidity from this low. So there's a swing failure there. But I think what's happening now is it's following Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin suddenly sneezes, this could potentially drop. But if Bitcoin starts to show strength, then this could potentially really rally. Okay. So it's at a really interesting place. I'm in this actually. I'm using a new strategy for Slerf. I'm seeing if how that plays out. At the moment, it's not working, but let's see. Let me put these into a group. Saturday